Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mikale and today we're going to be doing an at-home silk press. So if you want to get this silky, bouncy, shiny, voluminous, lightweight look, then just keep on watching. Starting out with freshly detangled hair, I'm gonna do a hot oil treatment and my deep conditioner, and then I'll be back. So for my hot oil treatment, I use this Dew Grow. It makes your hair really soft, really manageable. So if you don't have a hot oil treatment yet, then I suggest getting the Dew Grow one. I'm back from my hot oil treatment. All I did was use my Dew Grow and I separated my hair into 4 sections, put a shower cap under my head, and I sat under the hooded dryer for around 15 to 20 minutes. And now I'm about to shampoo, deep condition, and condition my hair, and I'll show the products. To shampoo my hair, I'm using the Design Essentials Silk Press Line shampoo. It's really nice. It's my first time using it and I really liked it, so I'll keep using it. Then for my deep condition, I use the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask, and it has Manuka honey in it, and I think it's really nice. This is probably my 3rd time using it. I'll link that below in the description box as well. And for my hair conditioner, I use the 3-Minute Miracle Moist by Aussie. It's really good. I love it. I have like 3 big bottles of it, and I'll link that as well in the description. Highly recommend. Love it. Now that I've washed and conditioned my hair, I'm just taking it out the 4 sections to make sure there's no conditioner or anything left over, because you don't want that for a silk press. So make sure that you don't have any conditioner or leave-in left. Now you're gonna see me use the John Frieda Frizzy Serum. It's really good. It'll help fight off frizz and humidity, which is important even if you live in a warm area where there's a lot of humidity. So it'll help your hair stay, and it'll help your silk press stay for longer and last longer. My silk presses usually last me about a month. Now you'll see me adding in more. The bottle says that you can use more than 1 pump if you have like longer or thicker hair, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side of my hair. The next product that you're going to see me use is the Chi Silk Infusion. It's also a heat protectant. I really love Chi. I love their products. I have their other heat protectant, but I think I like the Silk Infusion a lot better because, like I said, it makes a difference in my hair and how my silk presses turn out, the ones that I've done at home by myself. So I highly recommend this product. It is a bit more on the expensive side, but I feel as though it's totally worth it. So the last thing you're going to see me use is the It's a 10 Leave-In Miracle Keratin Spray. It's also a heat protectant. I'm using a generous amount because I believe it's water-based, so it won't wear your hair down, and it makes your hair really smooth and very silky, and I really love it for the silk presses that I've done at home. I think it works really well. So I'm just working that through my hair so that it gets everywhere from the roots to the end. Now I'm just going to dry my hair with the paddle brush and the blow dryer. I didn't get to record the whole thing, so this is how my blow dry turned out. Your hair should be as straight as possible. Make sure that you get your roots really good as best as you can so that it's easier to straighten your hair. So now we're about to get into the good part of the video, which is actually silk pressing my hair. So what you see me doing right now is sectioning off a small piece of my hair, and then I'm going to pin the rest of it back. You want to work in small sections so that it gets straighter. So I'm just combing through my hair with the tail comb, and then I'm going to use the H2 Pro flat iron to flat iron my hair. So now I'm just going to tap my roots twice or maybe 3 times, and then I'm going to do 1 slow pass with my flat iron. I use the iron on 420 degrees, and I only like to do 1 pass because I feel as though that'll prevent excess heat from being on my hair, especially the front of my hair, because the front of my hair is weaker and more prone to heat damage. So I only like to do 1 good slow pass, and that's usually good enough. So now I'm just gonna comb that down, and I'm going to do another section so that you guys can see how I do it again. So we're just gonna do it again just so you guys can see. I use the chase method, so I put the comb under the iron, but you probably shouldn't use that as close as I did, and you just straighten it out and you get those nice silky results. Now that we're finally done, we're going to go in with the Ogx Hair Oil. It's an extremely light oil, so it won't weigh your hair down, and I'm using a little bit, just enough to get through my hair to add a little bit of shine to it because my hair is still a little bit dry. And we're just going to work that in as much as I can without weighing my hair down. This is the final look. As you can see, my hair is very lightweight. It's really flowy, very shiny, bouncy, voluminous, just amazing. If you'd like to see more hair content from me, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you!